Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Plus500 Referral program to invite friends and earn rewards. This is a great way to share trading opportunities while benefiting from referral bonuses. First, log into your Plus500 account on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the referral program option in your account dashboard or settings menu. This is where you'll find your unique referral link. Next, copy your referral link carefully. This link is tied to your account, so make sure it's shared only with people you want to invite. You can share the link via email, social media, or messaging apps. When your friends sign up using your referral link and complete the required actions, such as making their first deposit or starting to trade, you'll be eligible for referral rewards. The specific bonus amount or conditions may vary depending on Plus500's current promotion, so check the referral page regularly. That's it! By using your Plus500 referral link, you can help your friends get started with trading while earning rewards for yourself. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more trading tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.